Guess where we are? We're in the subway. First time in the subway in New York City. We're about to go to, where are we going?
We're going to Mascot.
Mascot.
We're going to Mascot, New York. Born in the Philippines.
Want to say hi?
Wow. Say hi. Hello.
Hello. We're gonna try and get
Am I looking pretty there?
yeah. We're trying to go get a MetroCard thing. We'll see how this goes. Let's go see. It's busy here. Okay. All right, here we go. First time trying. Let's go.
Where do we
try
go?
this here, I guess.
Hey.
Go here, right?
I don't know.
You press the touch stick and start, I guess. English. Oh, it's like get. You can't get new card.
Get new card, no?
You can't get one.
I don't know where to get the card.
Maybe get the card then. Let's see. Get new card. There you go. Regular.
Regular MetroCard?
Yeah, regular MetroCard.
We just want a 450.
Other amounts.
Other amounts? Okay.
This time you want 450. Yeah. 450. Enter.
Okay.
How do you want to pay?
Oh, you have selected credit card. Can I get 3?
Yeah, I guess. Try it
I'll
again.
give you the full
Please
50.
go put your card in here. Here. Like this.
Okay. Oh, I got the
And your zip code. What's your zip code? Isn't that bad?
So this is the subway.
Yes, the subway. Yeah.
Okay, I'll take some picture of the subway because I never.
Where's the enter?
This is my first time here.
Please re-enter. This is stupid. We're gonna get another one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll get another one. Yes. Get another
I'm
one.
going in. Okay. I go first. Here you go. No, redo it. There you go. Yay. Yeah. Now I'm going in. Okay. There you go. Ninong's turn. This is fun, right? This is fun.
Yes.
How much time did it take for us to get through? There.
Thanks, Pino.
Okay, so we gotta go to number 7, right? 2 levels down for 7. So I have to go down the stairs 2 times. Okay, see? 2 levels down for 7. Yes, down here. 1 more level, don't go this one. This one, there you go. 2 main.
Over here.
Here.
Flashing.
Yeah, we're right. We're right. Yay, we made it. We're here.
We're here.
Here, we're waiting. You guys having fun so far?
Huh?
Having fun? It's so hot down here.
It's really hot. Very hot. Your first experience to go to ride in a subway since I came in this country. That was 23 years ago. Wow. It's hot. I had to wait that so long.
I know.
For ride in subway.
So this is the Manhattan one, right?
That one's Manhattan one, yeah. Central. We're not going there. We're going this way.
Going there?
No, this is going towards Manhattan. It's going towards like where we went. We're going back to where we started. We don't want to go there, so we want to go to Queens.
I'm confused.
Ibang lugar yun, sa Manhattan yun. Ito sa Queens side pupunta. Yung igam.
Punta tayo sa Manhattan, di sa sakay.
Yes.
Oh.
Hindi tayo sa Queens. Ang ating anong mababa.
That's-
What's up?
61.
61 Woodside.
Woodside.
That's why I can't live here in the city.
Isn't that bad? I don't know. Just follow the signs.
Yeah, but I guess you have to learn how to ride, how to read.
I know how to read, but I get very easy. I know how to read, my friend. I know.
Woodside, honey. We can go Woodside.
Woodside? Okay.
Don't lose your ticket.
Oh, you know what? I brought my pen now.
From my bike?
Yes, I have my pie. You want to see?
Put that away.
Can you hold on for me, please? Thank you.
You want me to hang on to your ticket?
Yeah.
Here.
How about if you get lost?
We have 3 in here. Well, then we both are going to be lost.
Yes.
Have to buy another one,
I'm
225.
looking for my tie.
Is that coming? I think it's coming. I see a light. Is it? No, it's not. I thought it was. Usually when you see a light going through there, it means the train's coming. Oh, there is a light. Okay. Come on. Where we have to go? Hey, subway coming. Hey. For 7. Packed in here. One, push. Go in it.
That's how we sit here?
Yeah.
Wow. Sit down.
Further.
Here, so you can take pictures.
She likes taking pictures a lot. That's why.
I know. Give her my pie.
Having fun?
Hey, yes, I am.
How long is this ride?
I don't know. We have to pay attention to our stuff.
Give me, I'm here.
You're here?
Very, very hot.
Not anymore. It's air conditioner now.
I like these subways better because the ones with Billy are kind of like claustrophobic. They go like this way instead of this way like we're doing right now.
Nice and clean. It's nice
And it's clean here too. Yeah. Picture time? Okay.
What time is it?
How far is the ride?
We don't know.